If the points a comma 0, 81 square comma 281 and 82 square comma 282 are collinear, write the value of t1 t2. If the points are collinear, we can say the points lying on the same straight line. So we can use the concept of slope concept, or you can use the area of triangle concept. Area of triangle ABC, where A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3, which is equal to half mod of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. If the points ABC are collinear, if the points ABC are collinear, so which implies that area of triangle ABC will be equals to 0, so that we can consider x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 equals to 0. So here the 3 points are given. Let us consider, say a comma 0, b 81 square comma 281 and c 8 t2 square comma 2a t2. Say this is x1 y1 and here let us consider x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So here given ABC are collinear. So we can consider this condition. So from 1, so we can write here a times of y2 minus y3, that is 2a t1 minus 2a t2 plus x2, that is a t1 square of y3 minus y1, that is 2a t2 minus 0 plus c times x3 times, so that is a t2 square y1 minus y2, that is 0 minus 2a t1, which equals to 0. Or here we can take 2a common, so 2a into a, 2a square of t1 minus t2 plus here we can write this is 2a square t1 square t2 and here minus 2a square t1 t2 square is equal to 0. So 2a square of t1 minus t2 and here we can take out common 2a square, also t1 t2 common, so we can write here t1 minus t2 is equal to 0. So on the whole we can take 2a square of t1 minus t2 common and then the remaining is 1 plus t1 t2, which is equal to 0. So which implies a square of t1 minus t2 or 2a square of t1 minus t2 is equal to 0, or we can write 1 plus t1 t2 is equal to 0, and since a cannot be equals to 0 because all the coordinates will become origin, so a cannot be equals to 0, so we can say t1 minus t2 is equal to 0, or here we can write t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. So we can say either t1 is equal to t2 or t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. So here we require the value of t1 t2, so we can consider the answer to be minus 1. Okay, please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.